person, they'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit. Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves weren't filled with cross beams, wired, and animatronic devices, especially around the facial area. So you can imagine how having your head forcibly pressed inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort and death. The only parts of you that would likely see the light of day again would be your eyeballs and teeth that pop out the front of the mask. Yeah, they don't tell you these things when you sign up. But hey, first station of the breeze. I'll chat with you tomorrow. Check those cameras and remember to close the doors only if absolutely necessary. Gotta conserve power. Alright, good night.
Okay. This is nerve-wracking. Nothing's happening yet. Okay. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm shaking at the moment, so hopefully, fingers crossed, this night shouldn't be too bad. Nothing's happening at the moment. Final last words. If you want me to do more of these, then I will. Oh, sugar. Oh, crap, 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 crap. Hello, Chica. Oh, frick. Frick, 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 frick. Oh, crap. That's not terrifying. Bonnie. Bonnie's gone. Where's Bonnie? Ah! This is terrifying! People call me a big baby here, but this is really terrifying.
Don't tell Mom you're airing this.
Chico? Girl? We're cool, right? We're cool. Definitely in this room. Well, guys. Nice knowing you. I thought Friday. What's up, dude? Hi. Just get over it, please. Nice music, though.